Welcome or welcome back to my channel, and as you can tell by the towel, I am going to be playing in some temporary colors today, so stay tuned. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a flat twist out using a color from Gemini Naturals, and today I am using Purple Rain. This is one of the first colors that I tried from Gemini Naturals a few years ago, and I was absolutely obsessed after using this color. So let's get right into it. So we're starting on freshly washed hair, and I have applied my leave-in conditioner, and I've let the towel sit for about an hour. And this is what my hair is looking like. So we are going to do a flat twist out, and I'm trying to decide if I want to do a middle part or a side part. I think we're going to go with the side part. So let's go ahead and part our hair off. Side part. And we're going to start with this section in the front. I'm just going to take my scrunchie and get the rest of the hair out of the way. Let's get started. So I'm going to go in and detangle this section first. And I think we're going to go with medium size flat twist. Okay. So our section is detangled. I'm gonna go in with Purple Rain. So we're gonna start with 2 pumps. And a little does go a long way. You want to make sure that you comb or brush the product all the way through. Make sure it's evenly distributed. Detangle, and then we're going to start our flat twist. And I did intend on using gloves, and I completely forgot, but that's okay because the color does wash off very easily, but it is best to use gloves when you're playing in color. And I absolutely love Gemini Naturals colors. This is a vegan temporary color gel, so it's not a wax. This is a small Black-owned business. Should definitely support them, and I do have a discount code that I'll put up above, and I'll also link in the description box. And again, I'm using the color Purple Rain. And our first twist is done. So we're gonna move on to the next section. Take our clip out. And this section is a little bit bigger than I want, so I'm just going to take some of that hair out. Go in and detangle again. Go in with our color gel. Make sure that we work it all the way through. It's supposed to be back there. So working it through with our fingers and going in with our rat tail comb just to make sure we're distributing the color all throughout our strands. And also making sure that our hair is completely detangled before twisting. So we are going to just continue these same steps throughout the rest of our head. And I'll be back. Okay, so our twists are all done. Decided to go with a chunky flat twist out. Excited for the results. So I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes as normal, and then let the rest air dry overnight, and I'll be back for the takedown in the morning. Again, I use Gemini Naturals Get Hued Temporary Vegan Color Gel in the color Purple Rain. Okay, so we are back for the takedown. And my twists are dry. I kind of had to pin them up for work and I put a head wrap on. So they're a little bent up, but we're gonna work that all out. Let's go ahead and start with the takedown. As you can see, the definition is on point. And I'm absolutely loving this color. And you can see a little bit of transfer from the color. I was pretty generous with it, but not a lot, and this will wash right off. So let's go ahead and take down the rest. Then we're going to fluff. And not much fluffing is needed with flat twist because each curl is already separated pretty much. So the fluffing is just going to make sure that we eliminate the parts that were created. That's the good thing about flat twist outs. And I did them pretty chunky, so it should be nice and full. So far, so good. Right, we're on to the last flat twist. And I am already loving the results. Right, so this is what my twist out is looking like. Just going to go in with my pick and eliminate some of those parts that were created. This is what my hands are looking like. Definitely have some transfer. Definitely was a little heavy-handed with the purple because it's just so beautiful. And it washes right off, so no worries. And there are no little purple flakes or anything on my skin, just on my hand from manipulating my hair. So I'm just gonna go in with my pick to eliminate any parts, do my edges, and I'll be back with the final look. Stay tuned. And here are my final results. And I'm absolutely in love. And I did go and wash the purple off of my hands. Again, it does come off very easily, but I'm so in love with this jumbo twist out. So in love with this color. Again, this is the Gemini Naturals Temporary Vegan Color Gel in the color Purple Rain. Definitely want to check this out. Let me give you a little turnaround. Absolutely love the definition, the color, the volume. Definitely a bomb jumbo flat twist out. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'm on the road to 1K. Let's get there together. Thanks again.